Good morning. Wow, it is winter. Winter is here, everyone. It is here, and it's staying, I think, for a while. Oh, I'm going to get off. All right.
Take off.
Battery's a little cold. It's a little
Home
cold.
point updated.
Okay. Home point updated. Watch out for the jumping grouse, because they'll jump today. Whoops. Let's start again. Okay? Hold on. Okay, let's go again. Go a bit higher. Alrighty, let's go. Oh, it didn't like that. We'll stay about this height, okay? Alrighty. Well, it is cold today, everybody. It is freezing cold today, okay? It is not very nice. The weather's a bit shit. But we'll just have a flight out here, okay? Nothing spectacular today. I'm just going to have a flight out, alright? Keep low. Keep where we go. Picture seems alright. Seems pretty good today. Oof, it is cold. Like I said, it is winter. You alright, Belle? We'll get going in a sec. It's about, what time is it? 6:45 in the morning. 6:45. It is, it's very windy and cold. But this is our winter time. That's lovely in summer, is that place, but it's not summer now. It is winter. We had summer a few days ago. A few days it was nice. It's supposed to be nice today, believe it or not, but it's just not. Okay. 3,000 feet out. Oh, let's get the map on. On the map. Oh, look. There we are. Let's just have a look here. Hold on a second. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Yep, I see. Well, it is cold. It's always cold up here in winter, but it is nice. You can't have everything, right? So let's just go to the right a bit here. We've got a height of 40 foot, so doing all right. I know there's a res. Oh, there it is somewhere. There it is, over there. That way. Reservoir over here. There's a few round here. Let's go that way a bit. Now, bear in mind when you're coming back, you're probably coming back with the wind against you, I think, because it's blowing my way. So, we'll have a look around and see. Signal seems to be good, which is good. Yeah, we'll try and fly back a different way. We'll do like a loop, and I'll turn left. I'll do like when I get to that res, I'll turn left, and then I'll come back over with res there. As you can see, I'll come back over that. All right. Well, but it is cold. Just believe me, it's cold. All right. 26 miles an hour. I don't usually go up this way because it's too much out of way a little bit. You know what I mean? Flying's not so bad. It's out of way a little bit. All right. Alrighty. Okay, let's have a look. Looks like it's down a bit, does res, but I don't know why. It shouldn't be really. It should be right. tell you what, one thing we do have in this country, we've plenty of water. Plenty of water. Plenty. Don't worry about what they say, we've plenty of water here. Fucking hell, it rains all the time. Anyway, I don't know why the dam's like this, but it is. So we'll make a left turn here, then we'll swoop round, okay? Not yet, but we will very soon. Alrighty, let's have a look down here. Let's have a look down here. Now, the only thing that's a slight concern is that we end up coming back at 5 mile an hour. That's the only thing. Oh, the signal's a bit crap. Okay. Yeah, we'll turn left here now, and we'll do a loop round. Oh, look at this. So this must be the drop off here where water comes out. If you need it to come out, that is. Have a look. Yep. Okay. Alright. So we've made that turn now, as you can see on the map. Hang on. We're making that turn now. And we will follow the hillside, okay? Which is to the left a bit now. And slowly but surely we should come over with a res. Show you the view. Oh, look at this gully here. Right. Let's put the camera up a bit. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, we need to turn a bit more because I'm going to the wrong res there. Okay. See, it looks like we're 94 feet high. We're really not that. It's really not that high. Okay. We'll come down a little. Look, I know the signal's a bit crap now, don't lose now. It's a fine line coming down. Want to come down though? Oh shit, right, here we go. It's time to come back, folks. It's time to come back. We're going a bit wayward here. It's time to come back. Alright. Come down a bit, hang on. Okay, we'll rise a bit because the signal's a bit crap. I've had to rise a little bit because the signal's a bit rubbish. Look at that. Come on. Yay. 26 mile an hour. Coming back alright. Like I said, it's a winter's morning. This is winter. It can get worse than this, that's the only thing. Because it's clear, it's really cold, you see. You can hear the grouse. Just listen. Yeah. Okay, Belle, we're nearly done. Dog's freezing his ass off, so am I, really, to be honest, but I wanted to get a good shot today if I could. So let's just see where we are on the map. We're halfway back, more or less. Coming over with it, always a risky time coming over the lake, but we've got to come over the lake. Otherwise, we're going around the fucking houses, and we can't be doing that. Okay, we haven't the time for that, or the heat for that. The only thing you got to watch out for is geese flying in here, because they do fly in, you know. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, so we're approaching over Widdop now. This is the risky moment. If there is a risky moment, this is it. Always over water, it's always risky. I don't care what people say, it really is. Just going to hope we get back alright. Okay. So it's like on anything. When things go wrong, you don't want it to go wrong over here. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So let's just keep trucking on. What have we got? Yeah, you can see we're going against the wind really. We're in this dip, so we're just avoiding it, but I'm pushing back against the wind. Okay. Now I can see the drone from here. It's clear as anything, so I can see it. Everything's good. Well, hey, let's have a look. Where are we? So we've done like a big circle there of about 12,000 feet, something like that. But nice. Okay, signals come right back in now. That's good. That's good. That's because we're a bit closer, you know. 4,000 feet out is nothing. So this van coming. We just had that van past me a minute ago, so there he is. Wow, my fingers are freezing. Woohoo! They are cold. It is cold. Oh, okay. All right, we seem to be now, I'd say, not in the safe zone, but more or less in the safe zone. We've passed over the river. Everything seems to be good over the lake, sorry. We're over the lake, which is great news. And we're coming back, okay? I think I'm going to freeze my ass off. Okay, Belle, we are coming back very soon now. Come on. Okay. Yeah, this is just a morning do. It's my day off today, so I'm going to enjoy it. Get out while I can. Alrighty. Barren over here, isn't it? Barren. Okay. Okie coke. Watch out, we can't go too low yet because them birds, like I said, they'll fly up from nowhere. And if they hear the drone, they will fly up. So it's one of them. Okay, we're 13,000. No, we're 1,200 feet off. Okay, not far off at all. All right. Not far. We'll rise a little. Oh, the birds are waking up. They're waking up. All right, we're nearly back. Here we are. The wind's pushing it, I can see. We're back. Wow. Freezing my ass off here. Woohoo. Alrighty. Freezing my ass off, so I'm just going to land it, alright? I hope you enjoyed this flight. Ooh, just bear with me a second. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, it's going to be a quick landing now. Then we're done. Oh, man, come on.
Landing.
Landing. Landing. We've got a good landing. The pilot's a good pilot. Everything went well. We did our checks. We did all the shit. And we've come off all right. So, wow, it's bloody cold. Let's have a look. Yep, it is cold. Look, I'm bow legs. Woohoo. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And that's that. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye, everyone. See ya. Bye.